Girls like me are like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I said
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we got a new espresso and coffee setup here. This is from Amazon. Now I have both of these already from the brand, but these are their newer versions. Yeah, I have an espresso maker as well as a very, very nice coffee grinder from the very brand. So I'm excited to be showing you their latest rendition of the items. Now all of these items can be found on Amazon, so the links will be down below in that description box, so don't skip over it. We're gonna go ahead and unbox them and look at them and try them out. Everybody knows that I love coffee. Coffee doesn't just start with me in the morning. I drink coffee throughout the day, so yeah, it's a thing. I am a YouTube taught barista, okay? I'm really, really good at it. So my coffee drinks are chef's kiss, okay? Yeah, and you know what? You're gonna love these once you get them. You're gonna be the same way. You're gonna be in the kitchen experimenting, making all of your favorite cafe drinks at home. I absolutely love it, girl. I love it. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into what we have. What I love about these are going to be very slimlined. They're not gonna take up much of your valuable counter space. I know that a lot of people love gadgets, but they tend to shy away from buying them because they don't want to take up so much of their counter space. These have a very small footprint on your counter. I'm gonna give you a quick peek at my older setup before we get into the new CofiBrews. So let me show you what I have currently before we get into the new setup. Okay, so here is my current setup. And as you see, it's very slimlined, very thin. They don't take up much space and it looks very nice. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this space cleaned up and we're going to place in the new ones. All right. Very nice. It's a very nice lightweight machine, and like I said, it is very slimline, so it won't take up much of your counter space. And rest assured that it comes with everything you need to get started. See, maybe one day I can progress to this machine. OMGG, I do want that bigger scale, the one with the coffee grinder built in. I feel like those are so neat. And this is the coffee grinder that we have. Yeah, very nice. right, so we have the new espresso machine in place. Okay, I like it. Yeah, I think I like this one a little better. I think, yeah, it's nice. Okay, so we have our settings for our single espresso, double espresso. You just want water, and for steaming. It looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and put the water in it, and we'll start a cup. I'm gonna bring the coffee grinder over as well. OMGG, the both of them together looks so beautiful. Really home cafe-esque. I am loving this. I am excited. We're gonna go ahead and give it a try. So make sure you're checking out that description box to get yourself hooked up with CofiBrews from the Amaze Chef brand. All the information will be down below in that description box, so you don't want to skip over it. OMGG, so nice. Let me put my mat back. I picked this up from Amazon as well. And this is a tamp after I've put my coffee grinds in my portafilter. This is where the tamping goes down, okay. And also, I love that it has the instructions located here on the side of the machine for you or guests using your machine. All right, so we have the reservoir tank filled with our water. Let's go ahead and start our first grind. These are my coffee beans that I'm going with. Yo, I absolutely love new gadgets. All right, set our bean. All right, so you can use the little dial to dial in how you want your grounds. You want fine, you want kind of coarse, you know, you get to dial that in. But yeah, I have this where I want it. Okay, so now we have 15 grams of espresso ground. Now we're ready to brew it. I am excited, so excited for this. Now it does come with the tamp. And look at that, we're pulling a nice double shot of espresso. OMGG. OMGG, I am so happy with my new espresso machine. And it is actually hot. I love it. Because sometimes with the entry level machines, they don't brew as hot, and this one is smoking hot, y'all. Definitely check it out. The link will be down below in that description box, along with the beautiful coffee grinder, y'all. You definitely need them both. So nice. So just imagine the money you're going to save with this setup, because you're now becoming your own barista, creating both hot and cold coffee drinks, just like your favorite cafe, but at home.
So make sure you head over to Amazon to check out CofiBrews to get yourself hooked up with this beautiful espresso machine as well as the coffee grinder, so you too can create beautiful at-home cafe drinks just like this. Girl, look at that espresso extraction. It is perfect. It is perfection. The steamed fluffy milk, and you can steam your milk of choice to make your lattes, your cappuccinos, anything your heart desires. You can do it at home in your kitchen for the low. Look how beautiful this is. Who wouldn't want this? This is a coffee lover's delight right now. I am so happy to have this set up, but make sure you check out the description box. CofiBrews. Bye, y'all.